Hi, in front of me is IGET Smart L203 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this tablet. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose security over here, tap on screen lock and pick one of the locking methods. Swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so now I will click on it, then draw my pattern, click next, repeat it and tap confirm. Over here you need to choose how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I will go with show all notifications content, so I have to click on this option and tap done. So now when I go back, then turn off my screen and turn it back on, I guess that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!